Hi, I'm Jackie Graham, and I'm reporting on the SpaceX commercial launch that happened recently. And yeah, so this week I decided to read an article, and I was doing space, and I had seen a lot of articles online about the SpaceX commercial flight. So when I was walking in from class, I saw the newspaper, and the headline was was this. So USA Today Weekend came out with this for their headline. So I decided to, give it a read and take, newspaper, kind of old school, but, still very important, still very relevant. And this article gave me a lot of different information. It was 2 pages. So it was this part and this front part. And basically this is really important and is new and is newsworthy because it's the first commercial flight that's ever happened, and SpaceX led it. And normally the flights are through NASA or the government, and this is the first one that's through SpaceX, which is really cool. And the goal of the spacewalk was to be able to figure out ways and technology that should hopefully bring them further and hopefully get them to be able to go further in space and even to Mars. So that's like the goal that they were coming from. And basically there was 4 astronauts that went out, and the whole spaceship had to be opened because there was the word was airlocks, which most ships have airlocks, and this ship was called the Dragon. And so they all had to wear suits even if they were inside the Dragon. They all had to wear them. And then they went out and they did 40 different experiments, which is really cool. I think that this was written pretty well. It gave all the information, and it even had, like, you can see, like, timestamps. I'll put some pictures on there too, which is cool, so you could really see the process of what they did, how they did it, and all that stuff. I think the style was pretty good. It was really cool, just reading from an actual article. I have USA Today on, like, my computer, but it was cool, like, actually being able to hold it and, like, look into it. So they did answer, like, all the questions, like why, where, when, how. They did all that. They told us how they did it. They told us why they did it and all the information behind that, which was, really important. And I really liked it. I liked reading about it. I've been seeing all about it, and I didn't know if it was a positive or negative thing, but after reading it, it seems like it's pretty positive. I didn't know so it seems like it's a good thing, and it's really helping us hopefully be able to get deeper into the space world, which is really cool. So I thought this article was really cool. I'm excited to, either follow it because it's one of 3 missions supposedly. So that should be cool. And it's the first one that's commercial, and that's really interesting. And NASA and the government, they approve of it, which is nice because I thought maybe it'd be negative, but it wasn't. And yeah, I really enjoyed the article, and I can't wait to read more up about it. And I'm excited to see where this takes us. And I did really like the style as well. I thought it was well written, and sometimes space stuff can be, like, overcomplicated and too much stuff, but they kept it clear. They kept it made sense for the readers, because sometimes this stuff can be overcomplicated, but it made sense. So it was good, and I really enjoyed it. Thank you.